Adobe Acrobat Reader is the best PDF viewer on PC. In this video, we'll explore it from start to finish. So, let's get started. This is how it looks. Opening it the first time will show you this message. It says to make it the default PDF viewer. Click Yes. You'll notice this blue star on some tools. These features are in the premium plans, so we can't touch them. On the bottom, you'll see your recently opened PDF files. To the left is the navigation to open specific files. When you open a PDF, this is what you see. Tools are to the left, but most are premium. These annotating options are free. Saving, printing, and sharing options are on the top right. The PDF options are to the right. Those are some handy tools that will help you navigate the document. Selecting text also shows a row for some additional options. Let's comment on this paragraph. Click Post. After adding a comment, whenever you click this text, you'll see the comment. You can also set a background color for this commented text. We can highlight text as well. Clicking the highlighted text will open a tiny pop-up. We can change the color, add a comment, or delete it. The fourth tool is the drawing tool. Clicking here shows all the drawing options. To add a rectangle, select it and draw like this. Also, to draw freely, use the draw tool and the mouse to move around. This air box is to type stuff. We get a few more tools and most are useful while filling out forms. The text lets us add a text box anywhere we want. I'll add one here. Looks great. We can adjust the font size from the pop-up. Also, these are a few quick tools. To save this PDF, click this disk icon. It will ask you where you want to save it. For now, let's choose the Downloads folder. Give it a name and click Save. We'll fill out a form in Acrobat Reader now. There are mainly two types of forms. One is the normal form like this. We can start editing like we did earlier, but it's good to find this fill and sign tool for more useful interface. Now use the text box, place it on a field and start typing. It fits perfectly, but we also have the font size options right here. For those big date and number boxes, I add a few spaces to place the numbers in the box. As you fill out forms, Acrobat will remember your details to suggest. This feature is handy as we find many of the same questions in the most forms. For these checkboxes, we select one of the check styles. Then click the area to add that check. Use the buttons to resize them. We have other check types depending on the form type and region. This last box is a signature. To create one, click Add Signature from the left. On this pop-up, we can just type our name to use. This image option lets you import a photo of your signature. However, I like this draw feature that supports drawing a signature. Once done, leave this checked if you want to save it for future use. Hit Apply. We'll simply click where we want to add the signature. Like the rest, it can be resized. Ensure to save this file if you are editing an important document. Next, we'll fill out a fillable form. You'll notice something different about this form. The boxes are purple. This means that it is a fillable form. All the work has been done. We just click on boxes and add information. No need to select any tools. We can click on each and type or press the tab key to move through them one by one. Also, with those checkboxes, we just got to click them. It's pretty easy. However, what's difficult with a fillable form is signing it. We can't just place the saved signature in the box. We can, but that's not the correct way to do it. When you click it, it shows this pop-up. It's asking us to create a digital ID. In this tutorial, we'll quickly create a basic one. However, to learn to create advanced IDs, I have made a 5-minute video on signing PDFs. Do check it out. Click the Create Digital ID button. Then click Create a new digital ID and continue. Hit Continue. On this screen, your name and email are important, so fill those out. If you have other details, you can fill them in as well. Click Save. Then click Continue. This is a simple digital ID. Also, if you fill in any serious form, ensure you sign in after completing everything. Check this so no one can edit this document further. Click Sign to add. You'll need to save this document first. Then we'll see the signature. Great! To save PDFs online, share them, and access them on other platforms, we can create a free Adobe account. Click the Sign In button on the top. You can click those options to sign up or in. However, I have an Adobe account and I'll sign in. Now, before you sign in, let me warn you that Acrobat Reader will install additional features and may ask you to restart the program and even your computer. I have some additional documents here now. Those are from my account. To save a document to your Adobe account, click this cloud icon. It will take a few seconds. Once uploaded, you can access it on other platforms. We can copy a link to this PDF from this option. Click this button to copy it. Anyone with this link can now open this document. However, they need to have an Adobe account. Alright, we covered the essential topics of Acrobat Reader. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Take care.